In this video, I am going to show you how to transfer money using Western Union. First, open a preferred browser. In the search bar, type Western Union and hit enter. Click on the first link that appears. This will take you to the official Western Union website. In the top navigation bar, you have two options: send money and receive money. First, let's look at the send money option. Left click on it. Here, you have a few options. You can send money from an agent location. You are responsible for notifying the receiver that a money transfer is available for pickup. Go to a transfer agent near your location, give them the amount of money you want to send, and provide them with the receiver's information. The agent will transfer the money to the nearest area to the receiver, and you need to notify the receiver to pick it up at the nearest Western Union exchange location. To find the location for the agent, scroll up, go back, and left. Click the Find Locations button in the middle of the page. This tool on the Western Union website will show you the nearest Western Union locations where you can submit your deposit, and it will be transferred to the receiver. To receive money using Western Union, left-click the Receive Money option in the top navigation bar, scroll down, and you have three options. The first is a bank account. You need to provide your sender with your full name, bank account details, the purpose of the remittance, address, and mobile number. The receiver will go to the Western Union location, give the agent the money, and provide them with all your details. Western Union will then transfer the money to the nearest location. The second option is cash pickup, where you simply go to the Western Union location and pick up the cash the sender has sent. The third option is online banking, for which you need to download the Western Union application. Through the app, you can transfer the money directly into your Western Union bank account, similar to any other bank account. At the bottom, you can see locations where you can pick up money in Pakistan, including the Postal Service, Pakistan Post, with contact details and the website, as well as banks that support Western Union with their contact numbers and websites. You can contact these to ensure you can receive money through them. That's pretty much it for sending and receiving money using Western Union.